Alright guys, so I just wanted to say before this video starts, the reason I did this was at risk. This video is for anyone that ends up in the same position as me. I want them to know, I want you to know, I guess, really what happens, truly, no bullshit. Anyways, so before we get into it, I want you guys to follow my Instagram, Danger Industries, Danger_Industries. I gotta go. Follow that, and 20,000 subscriber drone giveaway. Subscribe to get into that as well. I gotta go. Enjoy the video. Guys, I just messed up big. I dumped a couple glugs of this into my fuel tank. Now what happens when DEF, urea, hits diesel is it crystallizes and it can really mess some stuff up. So not thinking about it, you know, I just dumped the rest in there. I said, well, the fuel water separator will take care of it. So this is my 2017 F350, has about 30,000 miles on it. Pretty much a brand new truck, got it 4 months ago. I put it up on Real Power Strokes Facebook page that I'm on, really cool people. And they told me that I basically just ruined my truck. Do I risk a $8,000 to $12,000 fuel system? Or a $10,000 motor? Or do I get the tank dropped? Like, it's almost a no-brainer, but if I don't get to where I need to be, I lose out a lot of money too. I don't know what to do. I actually put diesel exhaust fluid in my I was talking to a few people, including one Ford mechanic. He said that it can be a bit might not put some two-stroke oil in it, and you might not have to pay a $10,000 repair bill. I need to be somewhere tonight, so I think I'm just gonna send it.
You guys silly?
And we'll see what happens. I'm half doing this for you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, this truck would be parked. Hi. So I put the DEF in my fuel tank. Some of it. Okay, so we got the we got the stuff. This is probably something else that you guys won't believe that you can do. Put this shit in your fuel tank. Supposedly helps the CP4. So we're gonna dump this in. Yes guys, I've been having a bad couple months. The last video you saw that happen. If you didn't see it yet, go check it out. Now I'm here gambling an $8,000 fuel system with two-stroke oil. So anyways, I fully understand that I can lose my motor, lose my fuel system, I can lose everything in this truck. A several $1,000 repair bill. I fully understand that. I fully understand the extent of what I just did. Talked to a few people. We're gonna see if I make it. I could very well end up dead on the side of the road. This might not even start. I just took the last picture, what might be the last picture of my truck running. What I'm doing is crazy. You know, I don't really expect to make it, but at the same time I do. But if this motor just shut off on me like that, it would not surprise me at all. Some people who seem like meaningful, they're saying that you should be fine, just, you know, change your filters, which I had to do anyways. You know, take care of your shit, drain the separator. You have like all the other people are just saying, oh my god, you're gonna blow up, you're just gonna blow up, you're gonna go all, you're just gonna blow everything up. And I don't know if that's true or not. Let me rephrase that. I'm pretty sure that's bullshit. Still running strong, still going. It's pretty crazy. We've gone a bit of distance now. Now I'm gonna drain the separator. Okay, I can't find it. This is not like my F250, one bit. Okay, wow, that's so different from my F250, but that's done. Let's keep going. Okay, pulled over here again. We're gonna drain the thing again. It's raining, everything's soaked. Okay, so we got our sample of diesel fuel here. Now, I didn't think I was going to have proof that I put DEF in my fuel. See all that sediment? It's nasty stuff. So yeah, I'm going to separate the two now, and we're going to throw that into my DEF tank. You know, just well, you know, you don't want to waste any of it. So what I'm going to do is separate the two, swab some, and let it dry. If it is DEF, it should crystallize. So the reason DEF stays at the bottom is because it's mostly made of water. It's heavier. Okay, now I'm going to use this cap here. It has a small cap in the middle and a bigger cap around it, so that should be able to separate the oil from. So now what we have left in this bottle is pure DEF. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this black fork here. I need something black. We're going to put a bit of this DEF on the fork and let it dry and crystallize. I'm going to lay it on a tissue inside of the truck. Okay, inside this cap here, you can see it crystallizing. I'm blowing on it to help dry it out, but you see all the. See that on the side? Jesus. What I'm thinking is that this is just about the worst place to see what's going to happen from putting DEF in the tank. There is no self-service here for 300 miles of this 400 and something mile trip. Absolutely nothing. Vehicles are few and far between, hardly ever see any of those. If I break down, I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. There's really nothing I can do out here, and a tow truck would cost many hundreds of dollars. The reason I'm risking this, the reason I'm doing this, few people said that you can. All I find on YouTube are horror stories about it. You know, if you're in an emergency situation or if you're in a bad spot and you need to keep driving, then, you know, we're going to find out now if it's at all possible. Of course, you got to be very careful. Fuel up as much as possible. Drain your fuel water separator. You know, because every little thing helps. I put 3 bottles of 2-stroke oil in. When I go fuel up again, about at the halfway point, I'll throw some more in. That'll give a barrier between the crystals of DEF and the metal components. For the most part, what's going to happen is the DEF is going to crystallize. And inside of these trucks, 2011 plus, there's something called a CP4. It might be in the 2008s as well, but I'm not sure. But I know for sure in the 2011s and up, 6.7s, as well as the Duramax, there's a CP4 Bosch pump in here. And these CP4s are delicate. They're probably just pushed to their limits, and they're just ready to blow up at any moment. Putting shit in the fuel is a surefire way to screw that up even worse. So far, still running good, still running great. That orange warning there, that's for the exhaust brake. I don't know why they made it a green light instead of like a blue like the high beams, or green like the headlight. It's just weird. We're rolling up here in Churchill Falls.
We're 1,000 miles away from the nearest city. There's no lights, all dark, but no matter what, you choose to stay here with me.
Alright, so we made it this far, about 250 kilometers. I'm about 300 in altogether. Truck's still running, we're still going. So we're gonna stop here, get some fuel, dilute it. I'm gonna pump it in slowly so that, you know, not to stir the... We're gonna throw some more diesel additive in it, and full send. Hopefully I don't regret this.
To where we belong, oh, where we belong.
So we got some more good stuff out of her. It's crazy.
We're 1,000 miles away. We're 1,000 miles away. So I say run. I run so we can get lost together. Run. To where we belong, oh, where we belong.
Well, we made it. Drove 400 kilometers, def in the tank. It's pretty crazy, but we made it. The truck is still running. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Don't forget about the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Gonna be giving a Phantom 4 away, a drone just for you. So subscribe for that. Now guys, I wanted to throw this in at the end. The title is pretty clickbaity, but look at it this way. No one's gonna watch the video if it's named, I put DEF in my tank and it didn't blow up. That won't help anyone. The reason I made this video was so that people could, you know, learn, see what happens, real life. If you put DEF in your truck, you don't have to go to the dealership and hand them 15 grand. So that's why I want everyone to be able to see this. If you clicked on it, I hope you learned something, so I hope it, yeah. Anyways, on to the outro. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps a few of you. You know, if you put a bit of DEF in your tank, you know, you probably be okay if you're just careful and do the maintenance. Definitely recommend dropping the tank, draining it, flushing the system if you can, if you put a lot in and it was running. Just, you know, don't take chances, but if you have to take a chance, if you're put in a bad spot, then do what I did, send it. You guys will be alright. You guys have a good day.